Good morning, students. In our earlier two classes, uh, we have learned what is descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics means finding the aggregation result or summarized result of large chunk of data, because with having huge amount of data we cannot reach at any conclusion, so we generally try to aggregate all the value together and find out simple result of that, so that we can have some decision over those values. It is possible with the help of descriptive statistics. There are various functions which can be used to find out descriptive statistics. Some of them are included in our syllabus. Few of them we have already gone through: mean, mode, median, then quartile. Mean means finding the average of the value. Finding average of value is very easy. What we have to do, we have to sum up all the values, then divide it by the number of elements, and whatever result exists, that is mean, that is average. Now next is median. Median is also easy. First of all, what we have to do, we have to arrange all the values from smallest to highest in means ascending order, and finding the number which exists at the center position. It is, I am mentioning, at the center position, not the average value. So after arranging, if we are having 9 number of elements, it means at fifth position will be the center position. Okay, whatever number available starting from first number at fifth position will be the median. But if we are having 8 numbers only, 8 different numbers only, in that case there can't be any center position. So if the number has an even number of values, the average of two values in the middle will be the median. Okay. Next one is mode. Mode is slightly different as compared to median. Here what we do, we arrange the number in order, and the number which exists multiple times, at highest multiple times, that will be mode. There may be chance there are two modes exist, that will be known as bimodal. If having more than two, that will be multimodal. In this example we are having 8, 15, 19, 19, 28, 29, 35. So 19 is multiple times, that's why 19 is mode. If we are having 19, 92 times and again 28, 28 two times, that will be multimodal because of two times. Okay, so this example is for only for mode only. Okay, finding mode, finding median, that is very easy. Describe is the function which return mean, max and quartile. We can find mean, mode, median with the help of data frame, mentioning its inside column name means label, and then after method. So in this example, df data frame, its column age dot. So students, point to be noted, here we are having double square brackets, dot mean, and then inside bracket mean means finding the mean of the value, so it will return the mean of the value of data frames age column. Okay, so it's very easy. Next part we have gone through, that was quartile, quantile. Common quantiles are median, terciles, quartiles, quantiles, sextiles, septiles, octiles, deciles. Okay, these are some in our course, that is quartile. First of all, what is quantile? Quantile means partitioning the value if we are having more values. Okay, suppose we are having 10 numbers and we want to part these in two parts. So at 50, below 50 and above 50. Okay, so that will be median, and median is generally we say it is an average. Okay, average. So average can't be at the center position, but average will be from inside, will be inside the number of elements. Okay, suppose we are having 1 2 5 9. Okay, 1 2 5 9, these are four numbers, and if we want to find out the median of these number, what will be the result? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 9 12, 1 2 5 9, 1 2 and 3 and 3 and 5 8, 8 and 9 17. So 17 to be divided by 4, it means nearby 4. So 4 point something result will be there for the average of these number 1 2 5 9. Okay, 1 2 5 9, 2 3 and 5 8 and 9. Okay, 17. So 4 point something will be the median of the number, average of the number. But 4 point something is directly not available in this list of number 1 2 5 9. There is no 4 directly available inside number, but the result is 4 point something. So finding quantiles is not too much easy, not too much hard. Okay, but student, I think that now you are familiar that how we can find out the quantiles. So it's very easy to find out the median of the number. Then tercile means dividing 100% numbers into three parts, 33%, then 33%, then 33%. That is three quantile. It means three parts of the numbers. Then four quantiles means quartile, means four parts of the number. Now again we take the same example 1 2 5 9. Okay, now we want to divide these four number into four parts. So a rough manner we can say that 1 is at the beginning, then 2 is at next, and then 5 and then 9. But if halved these numbers, 25% will be not at 1 or not directly at 2. It will be in between these two, because 1 is at the 0 percentile position, 9 is at the 100% position, but 25% is in between 1 and 2. So finding that value which is at exactly 25% at in between 1 and 2, 50% at 2 and 5, and 75% at in between 5 and 9. So that is slightly not easier. We have to try how we can find out. So in a rough manner we can say we can find out large chunk of data and their quantile is easy. We have already gone through this example. What we have to do, we have to take number of elements together, arrange those numbers, and then apply the position of that number. Suppose we want to find out 30% position value. So what we have to do, we have to 0.3 then multiply 40 plus 1. Okay, because we want to find out 30% position number. So its result is 12.3, and 12.3 can't be exact position. Either it can be 12 or it can be 13, but it's nearby, it's round, it can be rounded easily with the 12 So that's why we are considering 12, and at 12th number the number exists, that is 31. So 31 can be considered as 30%. But there may be chance that it is not exactly. Why? Look at this example. Here we are having one series with 10 numbers. Okay. Now these 10 numbers we are trying to find out quartile of these numbers. We are mentioning 0.25 inside quantile function. It means we are trying to find out 25% position value, 50% position value, and 75% position value. So student, if we think about this, how many numbers are there? 10 numbers are there. Okay. And at center position, which number exists? 10 position, if we are having 11 numbers, 6 position can be considered as exactly at the center position. But if we are having only 10 numbers, directly we cannot say that fifth position is at the center of the number. So find how we can find through programming. It is very easy to find out the 50% position. What we have to do, we have to just mention the percentile position. Here we are mentioning 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75, and it will directly give us the result that number at 25% will be 4.25. Number at 50% position will be 7. Okay, and number at 75% will be 11.50. So student, now with this example and this example, you may get confused how we are finding the exact result. How we can find the exact result? It is possible with the help of this example. Okay, this is a rough observation. We can learn a rough idea of what is quantile with the help of this example. But if we want to find out the exact quantile, exact quartile position, it is possible with the help of this example. Okay student, we want to find out the 0.25 quantile. If we want to do this with the Python program, it will be very easy. What we have to do, we have to pass a list inside the series and it will create a series, and here we are creating series S. Then applying the method quantile and passing only 0.25. 25 means 25%. It will give us a result that will be assigned into R, and R will be shown, and the result will be 7.75. So 7.75 directly does not exist inside these numbers. Now